Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. There's a question I cannot answer, and it's what's my favorite cuisine? I love them all because each brings a different flair along with great flavors, like with Indian food. In today's episode, I'll show you my take on aloo gobi. This comfort dish is so tasty. Made with potatoes, cauliflowers, spices, and herbs, this vegetarian recipe has to be on your to-do list this fall. So let's start. Well, go ahead and partially cook the potatoes and the cauliflower. So we'll bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and then add the potato cubes. We'll boil them for 5 minutes before adding the cauliflower florets and boil them for 4 minutes. At the beginning of the year, I made a tutorial on how to cut this cruciferous vegetable. So check it out by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. When time is up, we'll scoop up the veggies to a bowl using a slotted spoon, set them aside, and reserve about half a cup of that water for later. Next, in a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil. When it gets hot, we'll add cumin seeds and we'll just awaken the flavor, stirring constantly for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. You'll know when they're done just by the smell. To this, we'll add onions and generously sprinkle on some ground sea salt. We'll saute them until translucent. It should take roughly 5 minutes. We'll now add chili. You can use jalapeno or serrano pepper. Then chop tomatoes and raw sugar. Remember, this is my take on aloo gobi. Plus, adding a little wraps up the ingredients so well. We'll cook for 3 minutes before adding the minced ginger and pressed garlic. This time, we'll saute them for only 1 minute. We'll remove from the heat and transfer the mixture to the jar of a blender. We'll place the lid on, but remove the cap. We'll process until the ingredients are pretty much blended before pouring in some of our reserved water. I like to start with a 1/4 cup and keep adding more if needed until the mixture is smooth. Like this. We want some body to it, not like a soup. We'll return the mixture back to the skillet and back to the stove. To this, we'll add garam masala, ground cumin, a favorite of mine, followed by ground coriander, then ground turmeric, which will give a nice color to the dish, another non-traditional ingredient, smoked paprika, some lemon zest, cayenne pepper, but it's optional, and finally, freshly ground black pepper. Always on medium heat, we'll stir the mixture until nicely combined. Then we'll pour in some low-sodium chicken broth, give a quick stir, and add our partially cooked potatoes and cauliflower florets. We'll increase the heat to high and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add our frozen peas, of course, stir again, cover, and reduce to medium-low. We'll cook for 8 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. We'll sprinkle on some chopped cilantro and serve with naan bread. And my friends, this is our aloo gobi. This vegetarian dish is so delicious. With a beautiful combination of ingredients, this Indian recipe is sure to tickle your taste buds. Served with naan bread, it's a nice meal to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!